This 2014 Newmar Canyon Star Queen bed is a Class A RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features a Thunder Bay interior, sleeps 8, Skylight, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, awning, slide-out, self-contained, TV, smoke detector, stovetop burner, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid living area, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2014 Newmar Canyon Star Queen bed is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.